وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا. But I want you to follow this ayah carefully. Allah did not say وَلَا تَزْنُوا, but he said وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا. He did not say do not commit adultery, but he said do not go near adultery. You understand this? He did not say وَلَا تَزْنُوا. He did not say and do not commit adultery. He said وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا, and do not go near it. So anything that will lead you to zina is haram. Looking at women, naked women, will lead you to zina. So وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا, do not go near it. Looking at women outside, you see a woman walking, you watch her, almost hit by the car, will lead you to adultery. So وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا.